Today's bento is perfect for kids that like savory foods. It includes cheese, crackers, pickles, and olives. Let me show you how to pack it so it stays super fresh. Hey, welcome to MOMables. If you're new or if you've been around for years, I'm Laura and I'm so excited that you are here. This whole month, I'm sharing quick, no-cook bento ideas with you for back to school, and you're gonna be able to whip those up in about 5 minutes. And I'm also gonna share with you the tricks of keeping those lunches packed fresh until lunchtime. So make sure to hit that red subscribe button and the bell so you'll be the first to know when the other ideas are live. So I have a lunch container with multiple compartments. This is gonna help keep ingredients separate. The biggest tip to keep things fresh is to pack your crackers in their own compartment. I usually would pack them in the smaller side, but I want to pack my fruit and the pickles, which are a wet ingredient, separate. So I'm going to place them in the large container right here. I'm going to send some cheese, and instead of putting the cheese next to the crackers, I'm just going to take a smaller container, put the cheese inside, and that's going to go right here. I'll have a lid, which I'll place it right on the side as well. Now my son really loves these baby pickles, so I'm gonna use these. You could also slice a large pickle into slices as well. I'll place those right there. And Kalamata olives is what I'm putting here, but if you go to the olive bar at the grocery store, just grab an assortment and you can place that in there as well. If packing lunches is a struggle, I also have this free printable lunchbox builder for you in the description box that's gonna help you build really quick lunches by mix and matching ingredients that you already have on hand. Now the final step is to add some fruit. So I have some grapes here, but I usually add whatever is in season. I wanna keep these separate in another compartment. And as you can see close up, this is probably not enough food for a big appetite, but it is great for a morning or afternoon snack before practice, especially if you're sending a sandwich or something else to school. So as you pack the crackers separate, you can place the lid right on top and refrigerate that even overnight. In the morning, all you have to do is grab the ready-to-go lunch that's in the fridge, get an ice pack if you need it, and place it in the bag along with the bento, anything that you are sending along to drink, zip it up, and this lunch is ready to go. Don't leave yet, there's more. Watch this next bento that's also a breeze to pack. See you next time.